Hi friends, welcome back to Weld QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. My name is Vincent. In our last videos, we have completed around 75% of welding symbols interpretation. There are two more parts left, but since there are a lot of requirements from the subscribers for a different subject, different topic, is compelled me to temporarily stop welding symbol videos further and take up the other core issues or requirements from the subscribers, which is welding inspection, visual inspection, welding positions. People are getting confused about how many positions are there in plate and whether the same kind of positions are available in the pipe. My answer is no. Both these are totally different positions. So we will try to explain that in this video. This also can be running into two videos. So let us start. Today we will be discussing about welding test positions. Okay, there are two types of test positions, one for plates, other one for pipes. So to start with, we will be discussing with the welding positions for plates. Okay, this is the first position, that is in flat position, and it is groove weld. Flat position groove weld is 1G. G for groove. The other one is F. F is for fillet. In some of my last videos, you must have watched about the weld joints and type of weld joints and type of welds. So you will understand the difference between groove weld and fillet weld. So these test positions are for groove weld. Now, fillet weld, for the fillet weld positions, it will come after this. Okay, so this is for flat welding, or it is known as also known as downhand welding. Okay, not downhill but downhand welding. It is being called that also, but in a major way it is known as flat position or 1G. Okay, this is the groove and you are welding it in this position. Okay, now let us see the next one. Okay, this is the actual welding. In welding in the 1G position. The welding is being done in the 1G position. Okay, the electrodes will be in this position. This is the plate and the groove. The one layer has been already welded, I think. So the second layer ready for the final layer. Okay. Now let us see the next one. The second one is the 2G position, that is in horizontal. Your welding will be done horizontally. Plate will be vertical. Okay, again this is 2G, G for the groove and 2 for the horizontal position for plate. Okay, this is the actual job in our lab. In the 2G position, the welding has been started. Let us see the next one. This is the 3G position for the plates. The 3G positions, the plates are kept vertical and welding is also done vertical. This can be from upward, from down to up, or other way around also. It depends according to the requirement. And this is 3G. This is known as 3G position. Again, the groove is there, V groove is there. Whatever groove, for any type of groove, whether it is V groove, double V groove, U groove, J groove, any type of groove. Okay, but the position is known as 3G for plates. Okay, now let us see the next one. Okay, this is again for the 3G welding being done. Okay, this is the position from bottom to up, or other way around also can be done, but here they are welding from bottom to up. Vertical position 3G in plates. Now this is the overhead position, which is known as 4G, and this is for plates only. Please remember, not for pipes. 3G and 4G is not there for pipe. Okay, please remember, this is sometimes getting confused. This is for plates. 4G is for overhead position. The plates will be fixed above your head and welded above your head. So you will see the actual photo, the welding being done in overhead position. This is for the plates position. Okay, the welder is being welded in overhead position. Here you can very clearly see, this is in our lab, practical lab. So you can see the actual picture of it.
Okay friends, so let us conclude this video today. For the time being, I will be coming with the next video, that is in part 2, in which we will explain a lot of you. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Bye.